I'm Fire Chief Calvin Taves from the City of Steinbach Fire Department, and we're here at E1 to do our final inspection of our new heavy wet rescue. Our department serves the City of Steinbach and surrounding area. Steinbach is a community of about 15,000 people in southeastern Manitoba, Canada. Well, we were looking to replace our current rescue. Is pretty old, and Steinbach is one of the fastest growing communities in our area. So our rescue needs have been changing over the years, and we foresee it changing considerably in the future. So we wanted to plan this rescue with plenty of storage and plenty of safety features as well. We have, because we've got plenty of storage on top side, we've gone with a staircase in the back as opposed to a ladder, which is a lot safer. We've also put water on board with a pump to protect our firefighters at motor vehicle scenes. We are still a paid-on-call department, so the pump isn't always on scene when the rescue is, so we needed to have water available immediately for the safety of our personnel. Well, being from Canada, we have a tradition. We don't put the eagle on the bell. We put the symbol of Canada, a beaver, on the bell, which caused a bit of a stir here. This is the first beaver on a bell at E1, so it was also exciting for the people at E1, I think. It was a pleasure, right from tender to our inspection today. They're very attentive to our needs. If we have any questions, they're there for us. And the local sales team at Keewatin Truck Services in Winnipeg, they've been super to work with. We're on pins and needles waiting to see the truck. We've heard so much about it. We've seen some pictures as it went through the production process, but wow, and it met and exceeded all our expectations. It's a great looking truck. We're looking forward to retiring the old one and getting this beauty into service and getting it to do some work.